A Day in My Life by me, Carly Jones. Envy is wanting what someone else has. As you can see from my pictures, my dog Jonesy likes to sleep. Every morning I envy him because he gets to stay all warm and cozy in my bed, and I have to get ready and go to class. Instrumental needs are just your everyday needs. One of my everyday needs is Pop-Tarts. I cannot go a day without Pop-Tarts, especially right before class. Explicit rules are behaviors rules that have been clearly stated. When I first started driving, I was told what rules of behavior were to be expected of me. I know that I have to drive on the right side of the road and wear my seatbelt. Critical listening is taking in what is being said with a goal of evaluating and analyzing the information. Here my aunt and I are listening to an online lecture while taking notes. Empathy is the ability to put yourself in someone else's shoes and feel how they are feeling. This picture represents a student back-talking a teacher. I never treat anyone in a way I would not want to be treated myself. Empathy is a very important quality to have. Happiness is when you are feeling joyful and content in that very moment. I feel the most happy when I am leaving class. I feel so carefree, and it's one of the best parts of my day. Exaggeration is overstating the facts. This is what my grandma does when talking about the weather. The pictures here show how it really looks outside to how my grandma thinks it looks outside. Listening is finding meaning in another person's spoken message. Everyone needs a friend who can be there for them and listen to you. This is my Aunt Julie, who is one of my best friends, who always lends me a listening ear. Decoding is when you take information and give it meaning. This is something we all do without thinking. Well, it usually can be done without much thinking. Unless I'm talking to my mom. I have to make sense of what she means, which takes more than a second. Compromising is simply giving something up, but getting something in return. I am pictured here doing the dishes. I could only make cookies if I did the dishes. So I had to compromise to have cookies. Thank you for taking the time to experience a day in my life. Carly Jones.